how to see the recently watched videos on Facebook. This is what you will learn in this video. Now the problem is that our videos disappear once we refresh our feed. Now if we want to go back and watch a video which we have watched in the recent past, how would we do that? So for that we will have to navigate to the activity log and retrieve our recently viewed content. So there are two ways to do it. In the first way, you need to go to your menu and then click the settings and then the setting and privacy, and in that you need to look for this activity log. Within the activity log, on the top you will see these tabs are icons where you would see the activity history. You need to click that. This log history will display all your actions, so you need to apply the filters to isolate the specific type of a media. In our case, we want to isolate the videos. So once you will click this, from the filters you need to select the categories, and within the categories you need to click onto the post and then videos you have watched. So this was the first way. Then second way is to click on your profile icon and then click these three horizontal dots next to your edit profile icon to access the management settings, and within the profile settings you would also see this activity log, and in both cases you would reach to the videos that you have watched, which will be displayed in the chronological order. By the way, you can delete any specific video by clicking onto the three vertical dots across the video and then selecting the delete button. And if you want to clear all the history, you can clear video watch history on the top and your all records will be removed. So that's how you see the recently watched videos on Facebook.